나는 영화를 봤어요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 봤어요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to discuss about the word 봤어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 191. 봤어요. 봤어요. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is pas, second syllable is third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 봤어요. 봤어요. The word 봤어요 means saw, or the past tense of the verb see. The Korean of the present tense of the verb see is 보아요. And therefore, the past tense form of 보아요 is 봤어요. Now, how do we write 봤어요 in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable pas, we need to draw first a B character, followed by an O character, followed by an A character, followed by a double or sangsiyat character. Take note that the wa sound is actually formed by combining the O and A sound. For the second syllable O, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the O character. For the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the yo character. And then we just have to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word 봤어요. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I watched a movie. Again, I watched a movie. The Korean translation of this English sentence is 나는 영화를 봤어요. Again, 나는 영화를 봤어요. The first part of the sentence is 나는. The word na means I, and 는 is just a topic particle added to na. So, the whole 나는 part only means I. If the ending sound of the word is a vowel, we will use 는. But if the ending sound of the word is a consonant, we will use as the topic particle. And for the case wherein na is the word, since it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding 는. And that is how the nanon part is formed. The second part of the sentence is 영화를. 영화 means movie, and 를 is just an object particle. So the whole 영화를 part only means movie. So if the ending sound of the object is a vowel, we'll be adding 를. But if the ending sound of the object is a consonant, we'll be adding And for the case of 영화, since it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding 를. And that is how the 영화를 part is formed. The third part of the sentence is 봤어요. We already said that this is the past tense form of the verb to see. But since the action of seeing and watching is the same in Korea, we'll also use 봤어요 to say watched. So this is the past tense form of the verb to watch. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 181 to 190. But don't forget our word for today, word number 191, 봤어요, which means saw. Word number 190 is 목소리, which means voice. Word number 189 is 봄, which means spring season. Word number 188 is taepong, which is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is BWASSEOYO, which means came. Word number 186 is 피곤해, which means tired. Word number 185 is togo, which means that. Word number 184 is igo, which means this. Word number 183 is hyongo, and this pertains to the English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, and this pertains to the Korean language. And the last for our review is word number 181, 여러분, which means everyone. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.